मोहित मोहित सुबह के 9 बज रहे हैं. Either pick the phone up or shut the phone down.
Oh, bro, I'm behind my work submission. It's my supervisor. He's following up. He's calling me again right now. अरे छोड़ना यार, बाद में बोल दूंगा. I was sick.
Or you could get up right now and finish up your work.
Dude, what? Don't you think I want to? इस कमरे को देखा है? You see any inspiration? My brain doesn't work in places like these.
अबे क्या हालत बना के रखी कमरे की? What about this work desk? No wonder you can't get anything done. Dude, you need to get up right now. We need to upgrade this.
Shantanu, leave me alone, yaar. We can't make this place any better.
Yes, we can. And yes, we will. अब फाइनली काम कर पाएगा.
पहले भी करता था.
तू जा करके पूरी कर.
जाना. Bro, oh, what's going on? Don't you think I need some peace and quiet too?
Bro, I need to chill too. So why don't you take your peace and quiet and go somewhere else?
सही कह रहा है यार. एक काम करता हूँ, मैं बाथरूम में जाके बैठ जाता हूँ या फिर तेरे सर पे बैठ जाता हूँ. वहाँ तो बहुत जगह है. Dude, this sofa is all we have.
Well, technically you're not wrong. But wait, how about we create a self-love corner in the house?
Dude, that's a great idea. Mr. Richie Rich, we are perpetually broke.
That's also true. But wait, how about I tell you how to get it done without spending a bundle?
You're kidding.
I'm not. You have the Myntra app on your phone, right?
Yeah.
निकाल देखते हैं.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm thinking we get something like these planters for the area here with some
Yeah.
artificial lights and stuff, and then maybe we can put some speakers, some chairs. It'll look fab.
Yeah, dude.
Up for it?
Yeah.
Let's get it done then,
Let's
man.
get it done.
I love this weather, yaar. I can't believe this is my first winter in Delhi.
You're in for a treat then, because Delhi, this time of the year, it's the best. The nip in the air, the slight breeze, it's all too magical, yaar. And I have decided, this season, the balcony is going to be my heaven.
This balcony?
Yep.
क्या करेगी यहाँ पे तो बैठने की भी जगह नहीं है.
तो क्या हो गया? हम कुछ बनाते हैं. Let's make it prettier and do something.
Let's do
Let's
that.
be creative.
Please watch more of our videos and subscribe to our channel.